This is lesson 5, starting on page 161, creating reports. You created a database and managed its content by using a variety of tools provided by Microsoft Office Access. For many, the ultimate reason to collect and organize data is to produce a report. In this lesson, you will create a report, add controls, and change the report's layout. Apply themes and layout options, prepare a report to be printed, organize report information, and format reports. In this lesson, you will create a report, enhance a report by adjusting its layout, and adding summaries such as totals and averages. So we'll just read through topic A. It's just information on report planning. As your database starts to accumulate useful information, you may want to produce reports you can use for analysis and subsequent publishing to print or digital form. As when planning tables, queries, and forms, the report creation process starts with planning. Your data source for a report may be one or more tables and/or queries. In fact, it's common to start with a query that already combines data in the way you require and use the report primarily to format the data's appearance so it will look better in print. Since other objects, such as tables, forms, and queries, aren't based on reports, there's not as much risk associated with having to change a report's format as there is, for example, with having to change the design of a table. Reports are relatively easy to create, so it's reasonable to experiment with various layouts to find the one that works well for users. So some guidelines for creating a report. When creating a report, identify fields that must be included in the report layout based on the needs of the business and users. Identify the source or sources of data to be included in the report. Sources may include tables and/or queries. Which fields in the database should be included in the answer? Which tables or queries contain the fields you identified? Determine how you will group the results. For example, if you're reporting all of the cabin rentals by each customer, you might group results by customer. Select the layout. If you use the report wizard, you can preview various layouts before you finish creating the report. Use Print Preview to see how the report will appear when printed. Use Design View to refine or modify the design. Use Layout View to make general adjustments to the size and layout of controls used in the report. So our next video will be Activity 5.1 on page 163.